Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Chile Rellenos for dinner. We are super excited because we try to go every Tuesday or Thursday. We don't know when Walmart restocks. We would go there just to find the chili poblanos, but every time we would go it's sold out. It's been hard to find them lately. His mom made it and I never had it before, and when I tried it, it was literally the best thing ever. One of my favorite Mexican dishes. I can't make it as good as her. I will try to. I made it once before, so hopefully it turns out good. If you guys want to see the recipe, then stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. I already washed all of them, and I think we're gonna be making about 14. Oh man. Okay, so first we are going to just let them toast for about, I'd say like maybe 5 minutes. Do not take off the stem. You want it to be at least this roasted, this like toasty, you know, and then we're gonna put it into a bowl, and if you want to, a bag, but I prefer to use a bowl with a lid. See, it's perfect. And then we're just gonna put a lid on top. Oh my gosh, that's the wrong lid. We're just gonna let it steam in there and soften up for about, we'll say 15 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, we can prep the sauce. So I'm gonna put like 1 can of diced tomatoes and like a 1/4 of an onion. We're just gonna add some jalapeños, some minced garlic, and we can add a bullion cube. So I put on high heat now, and once it boils, I'm gonna put it to a simmer, and then we're gonna start adding the seasonings. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding some cumin and adding some oregano, and your perfect amount of salt, whatever you prefer. So I'm gonna add a cup of water because we're gonna be dipping the chili rellenos into the sauce after we fry them. These have pretty much been sitting for at least 20 minutes, and they have sweat and everything, and now we just peel them. Pretty much you'll see like the skin will be easy to peel off. That's all you gotta do. Just be careful, don't break them. I mean, you shouldn't break that easily, but just be pretty gentle with it. Kind of like this layer is off already. I did my best to peel this one, and this is as good as it's gonna get. We'll show you guys the finished product at the end. Okay, this might be a better example. This one was just perfect. So look at that. And it should look like this. I finally peeled all of them. Honestly, you can use any cheese, but we prefer the queso fresco. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is our favorite, and we always use this. Cut just slightly, have an opening just like this. We normally don't take out the chilies because we want it to be spicy, and plus Lyndon likes like extra spice. It's like a little pocket pretty much. And now we're just gonna stuff it just like that. Yum. We do extra cheese, so kind of close it like that. I'll show you guys another one.
Hi! I didn't even pop up in there.
Yeah, you did. And now, there's a lot of season in that one. I know some people prefer to melt the cheese and then stuff it, but you know, we're just gonna skip that stuff. All the chili poblanos are stuffed with cheese. So I have about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to coat the poblano pepper all in the flour. And then I just kind of dust off the excess. And there you go. And I will continue to do this to the others. Oh man, I'm getting excited. This is what they should look like. I did my best to coat back door. Oof. Most of them with flour. Now we're gonna be moving on to the eggs. Well, I've heard from a lot of people, they put like 1 egg per chili. So for me, I'm making 14 of them, and I have about 12. I'm finally done. I know I got some egg whites in here, but it's okay. I'd rather have egg whites here than have to deal with egg yolk in here. That is the worst. But now we're gonna fluff up the eggs. And I'll do this for about 5 minutes. You really want it to foam up, like to be stiff so it can hold all the cheese and stuff and the yummy goodness. I recommend you like really take the time to You know what I mean? Let's check. Nope. Needs to be thicker. Let me see. I hate risking this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, how pretty. If it can focus, that kind of looks like a rose. Whoop. No, flap. I'm so scared. No, I trust it. We add the yolk. Do not overbeat it. It's ready. I'm just putting the heat on medium heat, or I should say medium high heat of like that much oil. While we're waiting, I'm gonna do, oh no. I don't know how I forgot this like super important step. It is a hack. 1/3 cup of flour. When you make this, I feel like you have to make a huge batch because it is a process. I mean, it's not that hard. Would you go through all that work just for like 1 or 2? Add some salt. I love this. I am literally obsessed. Isn't it cute? You just fold, just keep folding. I should have used a little spatula. It really helps the egg make sure stick onto the chili. That should be the consistency. First one, dip, squeeze, perfect. Ooh, and it should stick just like that. Deep fryer she goes. Just gonna cook until you probably see the browning, just like when you make pancakes. It's starting to brown up on the edges. Oh, that is perfect. You can't really see it on camera. It looks a lot lighter. But oh, there you go. You want it golden. First one. You here to taste it. He will taste the first one. Right. I don't have the egg yet on the side.
There you go.
Oh, cheese. Is it good? Wow, look. Apparently he said this is better than the first time, so this recipe is a freaking one. I'm running really low, so this works a lot. Also, I know you guys will be disappointed in me, but yeah, I have to. For some reason, I probably wasn't using the right oil. The smoke was making my eyes so watery and it was hurting really, really freaking bad. I had to pull out the goggles. The result. Yum. Once you're done, if you have leftover eggs, this is what Lyndon's mom loves to do for him. Take the leftover, pour it in there with grease and everything. It's better than normal scrambled eggs. I'm not sure if everyone does that, but it's very good. It's yummy. I'm telling you. And what do you guys do with your leftover eggs? Let me know in the comments down below. Y'all probably do the same thing. I mean, I don't know. The smoke is like killing me. We're ready to plate everything now. Just kind of coat the chili on the plate. Yum. This is the burnt one. Oh my gosh. There you go. I love you. Thank you. I'm just gonna pour some sauce there. Onions, the jalapeños, the tomatoes. Camera fogged up. Roscoe, and that's his bone, by the way.
Look at that pristine cut. The cheese is perfect. What's that word you say? It's
divine.
Divine. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
That looks amazing. If y'all have not tried this recipe before, trust me, it changed my life. Okay. So many flavors in your mouth, and poblano peppers are not spicy. For those who are wondering, I mean, yeah, obviously you keep the seasoning there, it will be. So I have my little plate right here. I don't really eat the eggs as much as he does. The cheese, the batter, the chili. It's so good. None of the cheese fell out while it was frying. Yum. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to me, then please do. Bam, I got my intro. I got my outro. Oh, my eyes are starting to water again. Click that notification bell to keep posted on when I upload my videos. I'm trying to post 2 times a week, but for now, for sure, I will be posting every Wednesday. And if you guys want to see me on Fridays, I also Twitch on Fridays too. Lyndon will be Twitching soon, so we're excited about that. I will have our links in the description below. You can go check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video.